Today we're experiencing the new roller coaster here at Paultons Park, Draken.
Not only are we riding this crazy roller coaster Drakon, we're going to be checking out the Viking themed area here and try out Raven and some of the food here.
We also check out behind the scenes.
And of course that stall. Not this kind of stall. Get out. No, this kind of stall. I feel we're quite prepared to be Vikings in this new Viking land. As well, we've been to the Viking land, Norway. We experienced the Vikings in Europe. We've also been to Isleberg. Is it Isleberg or Islandberg? Isleberg. How to Train Your Dragon. And I'm wearing my dragon jacket. Can you see it? You see it? I mean, it's not a Viking dragon, but it is a dragon, and Kiara's wearing her other dragon t-shirt. So yeah, we are dragons in Viking Dragon land. Here it goes. Look. Ah. Wait, so I've been saying it wrong the whole time. It's Drakon. Drakon. That's what I've been saying. Yeah.
I didn't say you said it wrong.
Oh. Dragon.
Are you liking him to be younger?
Very nice.
Thank you. Have a grand adventure and good luck.
Thank you.
The first ride today is the Gerstlauer Eurofighter Drakon.
Watch a sheep. It's going to pull us up.
Yeah, Valbar.
Wait, what to say its name?
Yeah, Valbar.
Valbar. Valbar.
That was lovely.
Yeah. So, what did you think of Drakon?
It's good.
We approve. Yeah.
Smooth. Nice ride.
Smooth for a Eurofighter.
Yeah.
RIP speed. This roller coaster has a top speed of 600 miles an hour. Here, have a look. Well, we'll see speed in a different theme park in France, but yeah, we like Eurofighters, and this one was good.
Very good.
And of course that stall. Big stall.
Oh.
Not
a food stall.
Oh, your stall?
Stool?
STOOL? No, not purple stall. We think this coaster is a great addition here at Paultons Park, and the theme in here is great and so detailed. Do I look like it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Troll folk.
I don't know what that says.
Dragons and other, what's that say? Rims?
Worms?
Even the scenery here is the plants and trees from Scandinavia, and I do love some pine, spruce and birch trees. Yummy. Well, it definitely feels like we're in Scandinavia with all this rain weather. Yeah, but it rained when we went last. Wet weather gear. All we need now is some thunder from Thor, then it's proper Norwegian, isn't it? Or Nordic gods. Now it's time to check out Raven. You remember the TV show?
That's
Raven.
So no, I'm joking.
No, not That's So Raven.
That sounds in the Raven.
Yeah, in the Raven costume, yeah. So yeah, let's check that out. Raven. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Alright. Is it still raining? Raining a little bit, so it makes it a little bit of a water coaster. Ooh. Oh look, we're timing it with Drakon. Drakon. We wave at them. Hi. They ignored us. Hi again. Oh no. Whoa.
I don't like this road.
Sharp turn. Oh, whoa, that was too sharp. I don't remember it being this sharp. Oh. Blimey. Raven. Cobra, I mean Raven, is a really great re-theme, and what's even better, it has a great interaction with the new coaster Drakon. They have made a very, very bland area into a really, really good refresh. So yeah, they've done a very good job at this. Wait, Kiara, I don't think you're allowed in here.
Out of bounds.
Out bounds? What you, what? Wait, Kiara, I don't think you're allowed to put your nose on the track.
Why not?
I don't know. Wait, Kiara, I don't think you should sit on the track.
The train's coming.
Yeah. You're stuck on the track.
The train's coming.
You fell off the track. The whole area, like I said, it has great theming. Even with the world swing, we didn't actually go on this ride, as we've been on many in the past, as there's about hundreds have been put into theme parks. But this world swing does definitely suit this area. And we do love a Viking theming. Kiara, can you speak Viking? Also, the live actors here for this area were great, and if you do want to see these live actors, they're here until the end of May half term if you want to see these.
There is also a brand new dining area, the feasting hall, and there's one thing I wanted to try, and it's the golden apple frost. However, if it is sold out, you can go to the donut forge, as I really want to try it, as I love butterscotch.
Or you can drink some well water. So we're going to try out the frozen apple. I can't see the sign from here. Let's see if it's like butterbeer at Universal Studios.
Well, I don't think the actual drink will be.
A little bit, it's actually right.
Yeah?
Yeah, try a little bit of the cream. That tastes like butterbeer.
That's what I said, butterscotch cream.
Oh, it makes sense. Butter. What is it called? Butterbeer. I'm so tired. Alright. Nice. It's like a
Why is it doing the wiggly thing?
What's the wiggly?
No, the camera.
What?
It looks like the camera's vibrating.
Oh. Like it?
Just as frozen apple juice.
Frozen apple juice. Do you like the cream though?
Just take like butterbeer.
But. So it turns out Kiara actually likes it.
Now we have checked out the new themed land here at Paultons, it's time to check out the other areas and rides.
Be really, really quiet.
Why?
There's a dinosaur. Wait, Kiara, I don't think you should be here. No, there's a train right there. You better move out the way. Top tip, if you ever want to climb or hold on to a roller coaster track, bring some hand sanitizer. You might get poo-poo on your hand.
Oh no.
I can clarify, it's not poo.
Good. Thumbs up.
I think it's chocolate.
But before we head to our next ride, let's walk through the gardens here at Paultons Park. It's honestly so nice. Everything is kept beautifully maintained and it's just such a nice area to walk through.
Ooh, very haunted. It's all abandoned. Oh, is it open?
Yeah, we get right.
No, there's an X on there. Now it's time to go on for a new edition for 2025. Dance Macabre. Wait. Ghostly Manor. So last year, the first time when we went on this, my gun wasn't working properly, so I had to eat some ghost chili peppers. Yeah, long story. But we do love this unique, spooky ride. Actually, ghost pepper sauce. So here we go. Oh, that looks lovely. It's not too bad. I need some ice cream. Yeah. Do we need some ice cream? I don't know why I'm licking it, but I'm gonna lose.
Oh, it stinks.
Hopefully you got what to say. I can't really think, but it's a good ride. Look, you can use two guns if you want. Right, let's try and beat you. If you make the pew pew noise, it gives you more points. Pew pew. Whoa! Phantom of the Opera. Why is it so green? Oh. Uh-oh. His name's Basil. Basil Brush. I got your score earlier.
Incredible work.
Yeah.
Fuji and the ghosts are contained once again.
Fuji.
You truly saved the day.
Ah.
Check your score to see.
I'm still shocking at shooting things. You're just casually yeah. It's me just asleep.
What themed land do you prefer? Tornado Springs or Valgard? Tornado Springs, Valgard. Tornado Springs, Valgard. Tornado Springs, Valgard. Anyways, I think there's a storm coming.
Yeah, doesn't it? What kind of dog's that? A collie? Look, it's my tractor tyre. There's a load of tyres on the roof. Oh, you're gonna be a plane. That's not a plane, that's a chicken. Butterfly. A butterfly. Whoa! 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 That's it. Whoa, that was fun, wasn't it? Oh wait, what? We're not stopping. Whoa, chicken butterfly. Oh, butterfly chicken. Well, you got some air time. Yeah. Be a plane. Whoa, whoa. Polo, polo, polo. Polo. Hang on, you're meant to be in Valgard. The sheep's running. It's been a bit of a wet day, so I thought I might as well actually go on Buffalo Falls, as I'm already wet. Let's get even
And you're a
more
buffalo?
A buffalo. Ooh. Is that buffalo? Well, they got a thing in their nose. Alright, then, bye. Wait for me.
Alrighty guys, we get the bottom, please be invited into the middle of the layer. Hold on tight. Here we go.
Well, now we're in America, we're gonna have some cheeseburgers. Holy moly. So I got a classic cheese, chicken, donut and chips. Well, curly fries, yeah. But yeah, chicken donut. And you've got exactly the same without having your donut in your main meal.
So, in the past, I've had a pickle milkshake. I've made a pickle cake. Now it's time to have a pickle donut.
Such a weirdo. Now let's see the big reveal for next year.
We'll be going on that next month.
So yeah, next month we'll be heading to Paultons theme park in Germany to ride the new launch Mack water coaster. So subscribe if you want to see us at this new edition, and it's a world first too. Oh, it's gonna go green. It's gonna go green. It's gonna go green. It's blue.
Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Paultons Park for inviting us once again to this amazing theme park, which we definitely feel is one of the best in the UK.
Oh, also, they sell my favourite drink. Root beer.